my God, yes, you're doing it like it's a car. God.
What's up, everybody? It's Jeremy from Weld Tec Designs. This two fine couple right here, all the way from Virginia. You're in San Diego, so you guys must be lost.
Not at all.
So why are you out here in San Diego?
The main reason I came out was for the improvement of suspension on
Okay.
the RV. Overall ground clearance, being able to actually drive it and feel confident with it.
He's like doing a 5C video for us without even like doing a 5C video.
Overall, just the confidence of driving it, handling the white knuckle experience, I was getting tired. I was more mentally drained every day after driving it on a trip than anything else.
So now, Georgia, have you driven this?
I tried to drive it once, but I didn't like the way it was swaying, so I didn't really want to do it.
What made you come all the way out here versus having it done locally?
If I'm going to have something like this put on, I wanted somebody that actually created it, designed it to put it on.
And then not to mention, you got to visit your daughter who's in the Navy out here as well. So it was kind of like killed two birds with one stone. What is on this is a 6-inch off-grid suspension package. We also did 235 85 16 tires. We did a front bumper on it, and we blacked out the grill and hubcaps. But doing all that, is it actually going to drive better? Well, we're gonna find out right now. Let's go. So we always ask Georgia, well, first I guess you gotta put your seatbelt on.
That's right.
For Jeremy's wild ride.
Yes.
And then we say, what level would you like it at? You have the choice between a 1 and a 10. Like 1, Grandma's driving it.
Okay.
And 10 is we just stole this thing and we're going for it.
I think I like in the middle, like a 5.
So like your aunt's driving it. We're gonna bump it up maybe to like
yeah, because I'm talking, but I drive fast my own self.
Oh, see?
I'm from New York. I'm a crazy driver.
Well then, perfect. See? So you guys mentioned that pulling into driveways, bumps and dips and confidence. So this is a nice little transition as we go in and out of there. And unfortunately, you don't have to slow down too much.
That's
you know?
right. Usually we'll go down very low to come out of
like
there.
5 miles an
crawling.
hour. Yes. Well, not anymore.
Man, this is good. I don't think we would have ever been able to turn like this. I really, this is really good.
A lot of times when you go to make a turn, you get that like back and forth. And
Right.
again, like we're taking these turns like most people don't normally drive a motorhome.
Oh my God, yes, you're doing it like it's a car.
Well, it is, right?
Well,
Just
it
attached
is.
to a big box. And then it's the swerving. So, hey.
Oh my God.
See, even the car's pulling over.
The car got out the way.
Did you see this motorhome behind us? I think they're drunk. It's
And
like,
then
okay.
it came back nice and straight. Usually here, Scott's kind of like trying to keep it straight. Before, I would actually feel like my whole motorhome was like going like this.
Right. And every bump you just
Yes.
feel like, oh my gosh, this road's horrible, but
Yeah.
really it wasn't the road.
This feels like when I'm in my regular car.
Right, and that's the idea behind it is let's get you feeling like you're normally driving so that you're comfortable and confident in it. I want you to be able to get behind the wheel and be like, this is just like driving my car. It's gonna follow the road, it's gonna go where I point it, and that's the key.
It feels good. Scott, you feel it back there?
Heck yeah.
We're gonna jump on the freeway. Once I get off the freeway, I'm gonna put you behind the wheel. We're passing a semi on a bridge overturn. Now we're at 70.
I really honestly think this is something that's really, they should give you an option, like an upgrade.
At the
in
dealership.
The dealership.
I don't think that you could go from driving a stock one and drive this one and then go back to the salesman and be like, I would take the stock one.
Wow. This is crazy.
It's 100% different the way it used to be and it is now.
Oh,
I honestly think it is worth the money to do it.
this is nuts. It's a whole different vehicle.
Oh Lord. Oh shit. All right, babe. Oh my God. Oh Lord. Oh. I feel like now we can go into any parking lot where we avoid parking lots. my God. Oh, my Lanta.
I would have never drove like that. Never. Never.
He's trying to beat you out, Jeremy. That was good stuff.
All right, so that was a little bit of fun.
A lot of fun.
A lot of fun. What do you
fun.
think? You got to drive it.
Words can't explain. It's the
was
ride,
exciting.
the handling, everything it's off the charts. I mean, this thing, you saw how it was driving.
Yeah, no,
On a
I mean,
scale of 1 to
it was, yeah. You said 5, and I'm like, let's bump it up a little bit. We're gonna go to at least 7, 8. I think he definitely pushed 8,
Yes.
on a couple of those turns. He was having some fun.
I felt more relaxed and not stressed out, and I felt like we were just moving along nice and smooth, and we weren't like swaying too much. It was like night and day, the change, and I love it. I think it was a good investment.
I think it was definitely fun getting your reactions on a lot of those turns. And I think that was something that you touched on, was just like, are you really going to be able to tell the difference? Because you are spending a lot of money on it. Like, I'm not trying to downplay it. It is expensive, but like you're saying, it is worth it. It is noticeably different overall.
And it was reasonable compared to like if you were to shop around and look at other places. You have really good product and a good price.
Like you were saying, like we talked about the liquid spring setup.
Yeah.
Like, okay, all right, spending $30,000, $22,000 on that, versus this. And I'm like, all right, curious if any of you guys have liquid spring on a Class C, hit me up. We're gonna go hit the track somewhere. We'll come to you guys. I wanna drive one of these. I want to drive one of these too. Hey, no
Right.
problem. But thank you guys so much. These guys were awesome, going for a ride, having some fun, Scott getting to drive it, and of course, now George is my new BFF.
That's right.
So,
and Jeremy's pretty cool.
yeah, thanks.
Good
She was a
people.
little worried at first, like, man, that guy. So,
That guy with that sexy voice.
no, quit it. I'm gonna start blushing, So, all right, thanks you guys so much for hanging out with me. There it is, another Weld Tec RV done. I guess I gotta give it back to them. They're heading back to Virginia. They get to go enjoy it. For me, I'm going back to work. So I'll see you guys later. Thank you so much. See you guys in the next video.